Hi guys, with another video. Today, this is the basketball. Today I'm gonna cut it this middle of the basketball. Let's see what is inside or how they did. Okay, let's go ahead and start it. Use your knife or utility knife, whatever you wanna use it. So let's start it. Pressure. Alright. Cut it. Okay, the other way. Alright, let's cut it. Okay. Okay. Almost. Oh, this is the. Let's try the other way. We're getting there. Oh, look at this. Here you are. Here you are. Nothing. Only this guy. Alright, let's cut this part too. Okay. This is the inside, as you see. This is the inside. Alright guys, as you see, nothing inside. We didn't find any gold and silver. And only the plastic or rubber, whatever is it. This is the, now we know. So thank you for watching. This is the ball, but basketball, we cut it. And we saw that inside there is nothing. Alright, see you soon with another video, and bye bye.